Now we know how to return the multiple line of JSX code from this functions, JavaScript function, nothing but the functional component. Okay, so you may got some question in mind like, now I am able to write the multiple lines of JSX code, nothing but the HTML code, markups, whatever you want to say it, okay, within a JavaScript function. Okay, now what if I want to use some JavaScript variable within that HTML file? Okay, this is the valid scenario, right? Where you want to use your JavaScript functions or JavaScript variable inside your HTML code. Okay, so how we can use that one? Okay, so for that we have the curly braces. Okay, so JSX, by using the JSX you can put your markup language into the JavaScript. Okay, alright, whatever we have seen, this is nothing but the JSX within a JavaScript. But curly braces will help you to put back into the JavaScript again. Means by using the curly braces you can use the JavaScript function or variable in your markup code. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, let's try to understand by using this screenshot. Okay, here you can see I have written welcome to my first functional component. Okay, let's say I want to print this name as a dynamic, and this name, let's say this is a variable I have declared. As of now it's a static, but it's like a variable. Going forward it will be coming from API response. Okay, but as of now consider this is coming from the API response. Like I have created a variable as a name and given the value as a Vijay. Okay, now in that JSX I want to use this variable name. Okay, so for that what we can use, we have to use the curly braces. Okay, and within the curly braces we have to give the name of that variable. Okay, in this way we can use our JavaScript variable in the markup. Okay, let's try to understand by this function our practical. Alright, okay, let me create the one variable here, constant name equal to, I will give the same name whatever we have the in screenshot, Vijay. Okay, now I want let me clear this all things whatever we added multiple lines of code kind of thing. Let's try to understand by using the single line of code. Okay, so here I want to print the name of this variable. That's it. Now let's try. So here you can find welcome Vijay to my first functional component. If I change this value to ABC, okay, this value get updated on the UI. Welcome ABC to the my first functional component. So in this way we can use the JavaScript variable within our markup. For that we have to use the curly braces. Okay, this is the very important thing. This will be used everywhere while you are creating the React app. Okay, so next we will see how to render the data conditionally. If you are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.